Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. It was all getting too intense and way too much smoked out in terms of makeup looks. So I felt like it would be better for a change to just go ahead and play up with a little bit of subtle looking colors. So today's video is all about this lilac purple pinkish sort of a smoky eye makeup look paired along with these subtle yet red lips. I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. Let's get started. Prep your skin. I am using my rose water for just sprinkling it all over my face and then applying my aloe vera gel just to make sure that my skin is in proper shape before I go ahead with all those shabam. Then going ahead with my lip balm, which is by Maybelline. Time for foundation. I'm going ahead and taking my L'Oreal Paris 14-hour matte foundation, super matte foundation. I'm just dotting it all over my face and then blending it out with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Now this is a foundation which seriously just takes a single or a two dab and gets blended into the skin as if it is some sort of a magic. I am in love with this foundation. I love it to bits. I have some sentimental values to it as well. Whatever you would say, guys, this gives the perfect finish. Now taking the I'm now taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Anti very long name concealer. I'm just going ahead and applying it onto the higher points of my face. That is on my forehead, on the fringe of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, around my mouth, under my eyes, and a little bit under where my contour would be. And then going ahead with my Miracle Sponge once again, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out each and every single thing as seamlessly and as flawlessly as I possibly could. Go ahead and blend it into the skin. Just going ahead and doing it all out, making sure everything is like looking perfect. So blending is the key when it comes up to a perfect base. So just go ahead and blend your concealer. Going ahead with the powder thing, nowadays I've changed my routine a little bit. I'm taking this Milani's cream to powder foundation. I'm sorry about the construction noise going on top of my head. It's just the top apartment. I just love to go ahead with this cream to powder foundation thing, and it smells great. And I just love to go ahead with it all over the areas where I did apply my concealer. It just brightens the area up a little bit more. It sets the area a little bit more, and once it goes ahead and settles to a powder finish, it just makes sure that the area is like working properly throughout the time. Now I'll be leaving it unblended for a while. Taking the Maybelline's Face Studios palette, I'm just taking the contouring shade from the same palette and I'm just going ahead and contouring my entire face with the help of it. I went ahead with my jawline, I went ahead with my hollows of the cheek, my forehead, and then taking a smaller brush, I'm just contouring my lip and then going ahead with my nose. I'll just make sure that each and every single thing is like going ahead and being applied seamlessly. That is what you want at the moment, that things should be applied seamlessly, and blending could be done later on, and accentuating the tip of the nose a little bit. Then going ahead and spraying my entire face with the help of my rose water. And here you can see me now. It's time for blending everything with each other. I'll be going ahead and bouncing my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge all over my face just to make sure that everything is seamlessly blended into each other, just making sure that it's looking nice. Then taking the highlighter from the same Face Studios palette, I'm just highlighting the higher points of my face, that is my optical bone, and just going ahead and making sure that it's looking nice and soft and blended. Then going ahead onto the other side of the optical bone and my nose, my cupid's bow, each and every single thing. All the highlighters do have a little bit of a kickback, guys, but just make sure it doesn't latches onto your hair. Just make sure of that. Now tip of my nose, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and roughly just all the areas that I'll have to highlight. It's just gonna sparkle everywhere. Then taking the blusher from the same palette, I don't know what came over me, and I just took the blusher from the same palette and I applied it onto the apples of the cheeks, and that made me realize that the blusher is not that bad, guys. Like literally it's not that bad. You can use it if you want to. Going ahead with my lips, for which I'm using L'Oreal Paris's La Matte's lipstick in the shade I don't remember the shade name. I promise you guys I'll update it in the description box. and it is the only red shade from the range. This range just constitutes of 5 lipsticks, guys, and there's only one red lipstick, or the entire range is centered towards pinks, and there's one orange as well. So this is the red shade from the range, and I just love this shades to a distinct level of heart touch. Now, forgetting all about the face and switching over to my eyes, I'm taking the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I guess the day since I bought this palette, I haven't kept it out. Now, second row, fourth shade, the lilac shade from the palette, I'm taking it onto a blending brush, applying it onto the crease, then taking the second row, third shade, that pinky sort of a shade, I'm just going ahead and applying it onto the crease once again, and building up the crease, just making sure that the crease is diffused properly, making sure that it's looking perfect, and each and every single corner of the crease has been diffused as beautifully as I possibly could go ahead and diffuse it. So blend your hands. Now taking this deeper magenta pink shade, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it onto the outer V, like half of my eye. You wouldn't say outer V, it's half of my eye covered with this pink shade, and then going ahead and blending it into the transition shade above as well. It's not gonna go all the way up above up till the top level of that purple, yet it would be somewhere in between. You just need to smoke out each and every single thing, and it needs to be a gradient from pink to purple to lighter purple to a deeper purple. So that's what you want to create. Then taking this lighter purple shade from the same palette, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto the outer V and smudge it out onto the upper crease level as well, a little bit, just a little bit, guys. So you just need to keep on intensifying it onto the outer rim of the eye as you reach the outer rim of the eye. Then going ahead with this deep purple shade from the palette. This is the top second row, and it's the first shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto the outer line of the eye, like literally as if I would be lining my eye with the help of this shade. Now removing the tape. This is how your eye should look, and that's how your both the eyes should look. Now going ahead with my eyeliner, I'm taking my liner, this one is by Nykaa, and I'm just going ahead and lining my eyes with the help of it. Today I was in a mood to share with you guys both of my eyes, like lining both of my eyes. Of course, I daily share with you all both of my eyes, like always, but still I'm just going to share with you all my eyeliner application on both of the eyes. Even though I do have an eyeliner routine, but I guess it's been quite old, like not quite old yet, it's quite old. So if you people want to see an updated eyeliner routine, because I think I have just incorporated some little more tips and tricks into the eyeliner application. So if you people want me to go ahead and share with you all my recent changes and updated eyeliner application routine, then do let me know in the comments below, and I'd definitely love to do that for you all if you people want me to go ahead and do that. So just inform me. Now I'm switching over to the mascara, for which I'm using the Colossal Mascara. This one is by Maybelline, and I'm just applying it onto the top lashes. Now this is going to be onto my top lashes only. It's not going to come onto my bottom lashes at the moment. It would come, but later on. Now here you can see me, I'm just going ahead and taking the same purple shade, and I'm smoking it out onto the lower lash line at the moment. That is what I'm doing. That's what you people can see me doing. And then going ahead with the same mascara, I'm just applying it onto the lower lashes as well, and applying it a little bit more onto the upper lashes as well. Once you have your upper lashes, mascara onto the upper lashes a little bit dry, it's just easier to go ahead and apply it a little bit more. I'm sorry, I forgot to take the product shot of the dip brow pomade that I did use for brow filling today, but that's what I did use for filling up my brows at the moment. And that's the finished look, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.